Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time clicking onto my video, welcome. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I know I was gone for a while, but yeah, I'm back and I promise I'm here to stay. So isn't you know that like we in summer, spring, I don't know, but yeah, it's warming up, it's starting to get hot and everything, and I thought I should bring back my ice cream recipes because I've noticed that they do really good both on Instagram, on all my social media on all my social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and even here on YouTube. So I thought, you know what, let me share something. So in today's video I made a Kitkat Nutella inspired ice cream. Okay, I just used the things that I had in the house. So in a bowl I just added 500 mils of fresh cream. That's about 2 cups, or you know, your normal 500 mils bottle that you buy in the supermarket, that one. And then I added 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and I just used my hand mixer to, you know, mix everything together up until it was, you know, a little bit thick like that, what you just saw. Then I also added some Nutella, and then I also added some condensed milk, and I just whisked everything together again. Then after that I had crushed some Kitkat chocolate, and I just added it into the you know, mixture, and then I just mixed everything together. Just mix and just make sure that everything is combined, and then you should get a dish that you can put in the fridge, because you have to put it in the deep freezer actually, so that it freezes, you know, just the same way that you do it with ice cream. And then you just transfer everything. Make sure you scoop everything from the bowl, because this is really delicious. I tested it before I even added it there. But yeah, and then you just spread it around. I also had some leftover crushed Kit Kat, so I just added that on top, you know, just, you know, to make it look cute and everything, and you know, yeah, for the extra deliciousness, everything. And then you just cover it with a cling wrap, and then you put it in the fridge. You can put it in the fridge overnight. I think I did it overnight, and yeah, the kids just couldn't wait. So then the next morning, or this next afternoon rather, you take it out and then you enjoy. I had some corns that I had, so I just added it there. Everybody in the house loved it. So guys, yeah, that's the recipe. That's the first ice cream recipe that I'm sharing, and I hope you guys love it, and I hope you try it out. If you do, make sure you let me know, mention me, tag me on all your social media platforms. And yeah guys, I hope to see you in the next video. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe, because I'm also going to be bringing back, you know, the cooking videos. It's not only going to be about the vlogs and everything. I'm going to be bringing the cooking, the recipes and everything. So make sure you subscribe, and make sure you turn your notification button so that you'll be notified each and every time I post a new video. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. This ice cream was so delicious. I hope you guys are gonna try it. If you've got kids, they're definitely gonna love it, and also you guys, you're gonna love it. If you've watched till the very end, please leave a ice cream emoji in the comment section down below. And yeah, I hope you guys, you try it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Kinda shade.